Good day, everyone. We are the group that developed Pinoy Big Brother, a console-based coffee ordering system. Before we start, let me introduce to you my group mates. Gerard Jan Catral, McLaren Centino, Rene Gupit, I, John Lloyd Imperial, and Hannah Daniel Natarawan. Our program simulates the entire ordering process of a real coffee shop, from viewing the menu, choosing drinks, customizing orders, applying promos, processing payments, and generating receipts. The first part of our code is the initialize menu function. This is where we prepared our coffee and food items along with their affordable prices. We use Python dictionaries, then converted them into pandas data frames so the menu displays neatly in the terminal. We also created a cup inventory system, which tracks how many cups are available per size. This matters because every order reduces the cup count, making the system more realistic.
Next, we have the display menu function. These show the coffee menu, the food menu, cup size price add-ons, popular combos, and our shop promo. We formatted the coffee with clear lines so the layout was easy to read. After that, the user is asked whether they are dine-in or take-out using the dine-in take-out function. Then the ordering happens in take coffee order. Here, the user will first enter coffee flavors, second, enter quantity, third, customize each cup, temperature, hot or cold, sugar level, cup size, 12, 16, or 22 ounce. We conclude input validation to prevent wrong or invalid entries, for example, incorrect sugar levels or selecting a cup that size that is out of stock.
Next is for the food orders, combos, and promo system. After choosing coffee, the user can also order additional food items using the order food option function. Each coffee flavor also has a combo suggestion. For example, latte is paired with a croissant. The system automatically offers the combo and the user can choose to accept it or not. We also implemented a promotional feature in the apply promotions function. If the user buys 3 or more drinks, they unlock a free pastry. The program displays all available pastries and the user gets to choose one. This gives the program a more interactive and realistic feel.
Next, once all items are selected, the system calculates the total through the calculate total function. Coffee prices change depending on cup size because of the extra changes. For example, additional 10 pesos for 16 ounce and additional 20 pesos for 22 ounce. Food items are also calculated based on quantity. The next step is the discount system. The apply discount function allows users to choose the discount type. If you are a student, you have 10% discount, and if you are employee, you have 12% discount, and if you are senior citizen, you have 15% discount. And if you are a regular customer, then technically you don't have any discount at all. After this, the user selects their preferred payment method in payment option like cash, card, or online payment. Once payment is processed, the program updates the cup inventory using cup inventory so future orders reflect calculate stock.
And finally, the generate receipt function print out a complete receipt. It includes coffee orders with temperature, sugar level, and cup size, price of every cup, additional food orders, the free pastry if any, the remaining cup inventory, and the final total cost. The receipt is a clear and detailed so the user can review their entire order. After that, the program asks if the user wants to place another order. If yes, the whole cycle repeats. If not, the program ends with a thank you message. Overall, our system is a modular, organized, and designed to give a realistic coffee shop experience inside the Python program.